Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries of the universe: black holes. For a long time, astrophysicists believed that looking inside a black hole was completely impossible. But guess what? Researchers have shattered that belief and shown us that peering into the depths of these cosmic giants is indeed possible. It's an incredible breakthrough. Before we embark on this exciting topic, we want to hear from you, our amazing viewers. Don't forget to leave a comment after the video that relates to the subject. As a token of our gratitude, we will give a heart and pin the most important contribution from our subscribers at the top, ensuring that everyone sees it first. Just make sure you've subscribed to our channel, liked the video, and mentioned both at the beginning of your comment. Now let's delve into the enigmatic realm of black holes. The mysteries of black holes have fascinated scientists for ages. Initially, they were merely theoretical constructs born out of the brilliant mind of Albert Einstein. In his reflections on the logic and mechanisms of the universe, Einstein's equations of relativity hinted at the existence of these collapsed objects with immense gravity. However, it wasn't until 1971 that the first real black hole was discovered, located 6,100 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. This discovery was a pivotal moment in our understanding of the universe. Black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars after supernova explosions. When stars around 1.4 to 3 times the mass of our Sun collapse, they form fast-rotating and intensely radiating neutron stars. On the other hand, the collapse of extremely massive stars leads to the creation of fully collapsed objects, as described by Einstein. These objects reveal their presence solely through their massive gravitational pull, as they seemingly consist of nothing, yet possess significant mass. The immense gravity of a black hole curves space to an extreme degree. Anything that crosses the event horizon, the point of no return, gets trapped and cannot escape. This concept has captivated scientists for decades. But what lies beyond the event horizon? What happens inside a black hole? These questions have puzzled researchers and led to various theories and hypotheses. At the heart of a black hole lies a singularity, an infinitesimally small point where gravity's force becomes infinitely strong. It's a place where our understanding of physics breaks down. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, which marks the boundary of the black hole. While we cannot directly observe what happens inside the singularity, scientists have made remarkable progress in unraveling the mysteries of black holes. Through extensive data collection and observations, scientists have gained valuable insights into the inner workings of black holes. They have developed models and theories that shed light on the processes occurring inside these cosmic enigmas. While it was previously believed that obtaining precise measurements from inside a black hole was impossible, quantum physicists now argue that we can reconstruct these processes with great precision using quantum principles. Quantum physics suggests that even inside the tiny volume of a black hole's singularity, known quantum processes are at work. Some theories propose that we can extract valuable information about the pressures, temperatures, and physical phenomena taking place inside a black hole. If these theories hold true, we may soon have a much clearer understanding of what lies within these cosmic giants. Recent experiments have challenged previous assumptions about the fate of matter that falls into a black hole. It was believed that matter would be torn apart and destroyed, reduced to mere information. However, experimental evidence suggests that matter falling into a black hole can compress itself, forming singularities. These findings open up new possibilities and raise intriguing questions about the true nature of black holes. Another fascinating approach to understanding black holes involves listening to them. While we can't directly hear the sounds they emit, we can convert the waves generated by black holes into audible tones. By studying these waves, scientists gain valuable insights into the dynamics and characteristics of black holes. It's an innovative way to explore the unseen side of the universe. The Chandra X-ray Observatory has recorded the waves emanating from black holes, allowing scientists to study these phenomena. The resulting sounds are eerie and captivating, offering us a glimpse into the hidden world of black holes. They remind us of the vastness and mystery that surrounds us. Until recently, Our understanding of black holes relied on artistic renderings and simulations. But in 2019, a monumental breakthrough occurred. Scientists unveiled the first ever real image of a black hole located at the center of the galaxy M87, 55 million light-years away. This groundbreaking achievement was made possible by the collaborative efforts of the Event Horizon Telescope project. The image revealed a bright ring formed by extremely heated matter surrounding the black hole, providing visual confirmation of their existence. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of finally seeing inside black holes? Or will we remain in the dark for quite some time before fully understanding these enigmatic cosmic phenomena? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We value your support, and thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave your insightful comment at the beginning. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.